you looking for the top 5 best sleeper chairs for every space? Are you struggling to find a cozy spot for guests, or just need extra seating that doesn't take up too much space? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Velorise Convertible Sleeper Chair. First up, we have the Velorise Folding Sofa Bed. Priced at $104.99, what caught my attention was its multifunctional design that can easily transform between a sofa and a bed. If you want a stylish and functional option for your small space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Velorise features a space-saving design, making it perfect for studio apartments or dorms. It's compact, measuring 70.87D by 33.46W, and fits right into tight spots without overwhelming your decor. Plus, it has a weight limit of 300 pounds, accommodating 2 people comfortably. The ergonomic foam padding means you won't feel worn out even after sitting for hours, and the detachable back and lumbar pillows provide much-needed support when you need it. Now, some people complained about its firmness. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a softer feel, this might not be your best bet. But for those who appreciate solid support, that firmness can actually prevent back pain over long periods. This is perfect for you if you're living in a compact space and need something functional yet stylish. Skip this one if you love super plush seating and want something cloud-like. For the price, you're getting great value for a Product number 2, Philux Folding Sofa Bed. Next, let's talk about the Philux Folding Sofa Bed, which comes in at a budget-friendly $86.99. What really caught my eye is its ultra-soft washable fabric that feels like you're sinking into a cloud. If you want something cozy and easy to clean, definitely keep watching. Here's why this matters for you. The high-density foam ensures that it won't sag or lose its shape, making it a reliable option for daily use. The adjustable backrest is a game changer for comfort. No more back pain while lounging or working. Plus, it converts from chair to bed in seconds, which is perfect for those unexpected guests. The compact size of 28D by 28W means it can be stowed away easily when not in use. However, there have been some reviews mentioning that it's not great for taller individuals because of its lower seat height. But honestly, if you're under 6 feet, the comfort and ease of use really outweigh that drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a blend of comfort and practicality without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're particularly tall or looking for a larger sleeping surface. Overall, it's a steal for such a cozy chair bed. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next product number 3, Dowings Folding Sofa Bed. Now let's check out the Dowings Folding Sofa Bed, priced at $93.49. This caught my attention with its beautiful mauve ribbed velvet design, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any room. If you're looking for something that stands out while still being functional, this is a great option. What sets this apart is its durable and stable design. The corduroy fabric is not just soft, it also has a beautiful aesthetic that can elevate your space. It converts easily from a couch to a bed, which is a lifesaver in small apartments. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, making it simple to move around. The high load-bearing capacity means it's built to last, so you don't have to worry about wear and tear. Some users have pointed out that the assembly instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing, while it might take a bit longer to understand, once you figure it out, the quality makes it worth the hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, compact solution for your living area. Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional design. The price is reasonable for the quality you're getting here. Now,
product number 4, Maxi Yo-Yo Comfy Beanbag Chair. Next is the Maxi Yo-Yo Folding Sofa Bed, priced at $145.99. What caught my eye here is its unique beanbag design that easily transitions from a comfy seat to a spacious lounger. If you want something that's cozy and versatile, this might be your new favorite. The convertible design is perfect for various uses, whether you're watching TV or taking a nap. Its shell-shaped backrest adds a fun aesthetic while providing excellent support. Plus, the faux fur fabric gives it a luxurious feel that's hard to resist. At 84.2D by 35.8W, it fits well in any small space without cramping your style.
Now, some users have noted that the size might be too big for very small rooms, but honestly, if you have a bit of space, you'll appreciate the comfy softness and support it offers. This product is really about making your relaxation time enjoyable. This is perfect for you if you love lounging in comfort without sacrificing style. Skip this one if your space is extremely limited and you need something more compact. For the price, you're getting a unique piece that's both fun and functional. Alright, that was a fun option, but if you want something a bit more traditional while still being comfy.
Product number 5, Maxi Yo-Yo Folding Sofa Bed with Backrest. Last but not least, we have the Maxi Yo-Yo Folding Sofa Bed with Backrest, priced at $154.99. This caught my eye because it combines function and style in a sleek dark gray finish. If you want a fold-out couch that won't compromise on comfort, this is worth a look. The backrest provides great support for gaming or reading, making it perfect for those long nights. Its soft, corded fabric feels cozy, while the high-density foam filling ensures it doesn't lose shape. At 84.2 inches D by 35.8 inches wide, it's designed for easy movement and versatility, which is ideal for unexpected guests or just a cozy night in. However, some reviews mentioned that it can be a bit heavy to move around. Here's the thing. While it might be on the heavier side, it's built to last, and you won't have to worry about it breaking down after a few uses. This is perfect for you if you need something durable yet comfortable for daily use. Skip this one if you need something super lightweight and
So, we've looked at 5 great sleeper chairs. The Velorize for its versatility, the Felix for budget-friendly comfort, the stylish Dowings, the cozy Maxi Yo-Yo beanbag, and the classic Maxi Yo-Yo with back support. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Dowings because it balances style and functionality perfectly. Avoid the Felix if you're taller, as the lower seat height might not work for you. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments.